Hello everyone, I hope everybody is doing absolutely great. So today I was just watching one of the videos of Carl Rocks. The poor guy, he's banned from India for like 1 year. So let's hope that things get better for him. So anyway, I was watching one of his video, the KFC video that made me hungry. Okay, so I am in US for the last 4 years, and trust me friends, I never been to KFC here in USA. So let's go friends.
There is only one KFC in my town, friend, so I'm going there. So Carl mentioned the KFC chicken he ate was like chili bomb. He doesn't seem to like Indian KFC chicken. That got me curious actually, so I decided to taste KFC chicken here. He feels it is better in overseas like US and Australia.
So friends, you can see KFC over here. That's the KFC. I'm in the driveway of KFC.
It looks like the restaurant is closed, you cannot dine in, and the only option is drive-through order and pick up. Let's go.
See friends, that's the place where you have to order takeaway.
So this is where we order what we want, friends. Check out the menu. You can take time. Mostly they'll help you out with the order too, some representative or somebody will speak out of this box. $3.99 sandwich. I think I should try that one.
Yeah. So that's where you pick up friends.
Friends, I have paid it over here and picked up my order.
Friends, so I got it. Do I accept with Carl Rocks or not? I'm gonna taste it and I'm gonna let you guys know. Wow, smells delicious. Friends, that's the KFC chicken. Let's open the box and I'm gonna show you guys. So friends, this is a two-piece meal. So I got a Thai chicken, Thai piece over here, and this is a drumstick, and I got a biscuit. So I think it's time to taste and let you guys know what I think about it. It sure do look crispy. This is a biscuit which is very tasty. That's what I heard for sure. Cheers to everyone. So friends, you see this is very crispy actually. Let me have a first bite. Let me just see how crispy is this. Actually this is very crispy if you see. This is very crispy. That's a big bite, and the skin is very hard. I can't believe actually I'm eating the skin after a long time. And like Carl said, you don't see any chili here. Flavors are very mild, you can see. Definitely this is not spicy at all, and this is original. This is not bad. But if you're asking me like which one I like the most, so it's totally depend upon what kind of a person you are. Like if you are a person who likes spicy food, definitely you would. It doesn't matter if I'm an Indian, if I'm an American. But if you are a spice lover, definitely you would love the Indian version. But if you're not a spice lover, you will like this. And the flavors that he was talking about, I'm not sure what flavors he was talking about. It is pretty much the plain crispy chicken. It's good. It's not bad.
And I don't see any type of spices or herbs on top of this chicken, friends. Can you?
I want to taste that drumstick and I'm gonna tell you guys how is it. This is not bad. It is mild, it tastes good. This is all about the fried chicken. friends. At home we make fried chicken, which is without skin, so that is one of the reason why I don't go to KFC outside over here.
Drumstick is not too tender, friends. Tastes alright though.
The chicken is cooked perfectly. There is no doubt about it. If it's a fried chicken, the chicken obviously will be cooked perfectly. The chicken is fresh, feels like fresh, because it doesn't taste anything weird. So this is something new, friends. Sure, I heard about this biscuit at the time, when I was in India, when I used to eat, I never had this biscuit. Probably they are giving, but I never noticed it. But this is the biscuit I'm having for the first time. This doesn't taste anything like a cookie, a bun. A little bit crispy, a little bit salty. They have given the buttery spread and the honey sauce, friends. Let me put a little bit of honey sauce. This actually looks like honey. This is honey, although it tastes better with the sauce. So this buttery spread, let's try this buttery spread. Alright, it doesn't have any flavor as such. It's like a butter. I think maybe the buttery spread is for the cookie. My rating for this is 3.5, friends, out of 5. Once in a while, if you are really hungry for some chicken, you can just go and grab some KFC chicken. For me personally, I like the Indian version better. So that's it, friends. My chicken is finished. Friends, I hope you all like this vlog. If you do, please subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss my future vlogs and recipes. Till then, take care, friends.